What's up guys, Braden here with SuperATV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install SuperATV's Sport Accessory Bar on this Polaris General XP1000. So let's get right to it. Now we're going to grab our link ends and install them to the Sport Accessory Bar. We'll install one on both of the accessory bars, or both sides of the accessory bar, and also on the crossmember tube. Now we're going to dump the bed of the machine. Then we're going to come to the front of the bed where it makes contact with the cab. You're going to see there's a 1/4 turn screw here. You're going to want to remove that. And you're going to grab this panel, pick up and remove it, and set it aside. Then we're going to grab our spacers, drop one in the rear, one in this hole right here. Now we're going to grab our threaded plate and we're going to slide it in between the bed side. We're just going to grab it, feed it in like this, to where you can reach your hand down in here and get a hold of it. Then we're going to grab this mount here. It's the only one that has the bolt in it. We're going to line it up with this front hole, drop our hardware in, just get it loosely started into that clamp. So once we've got this loosely started on there, what we're going to do is start it into the bed, just like so. It'll hold our Sport Accessory Bar up into place. Then we're going to grab our long bolts that are provided in the kit. We're going to reach down inside and line our bolt up with the threaded plate that we previously installed. Got that one started. Now we'll go up here and start this hardware. Now we're just going to go ahead and tighten down this hardware, just so if I need to make any adjustments on my Sport Accessory Bar, I still can. Then we're going to go to the opposite side and repeat the same steps. Now we're going to grab the crossbar here and our clamp for it. Slide it up there, line it up. Now we can reinstall our bedside panels. We'll go ahead and fold our bed down. Once we have everything where we want it, there's a little bit of adjustability here. Just get it how you want it, then go ahead and just tighten everything down. And I'm just going to adjust these to where the heads of the screws are facing up and tighten them down. So now you'll just want to make sure all your hardware is fully tightened. We do sell a shelf that you can install with the Sport Accessory Bar. And as you can see, there is a MOLLE panel on the outside, so there's tons of options there for accessories and mounting. But now that we have it installed, that's all there is to it, to install SuperATV's Sport Accessory Bar on this Polaris General XP1000. Be sure to check the description below to pick yours up today, and also while you're there, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.